Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your 5-minute turbo update for Bitcoin. Today, maybe 10 minutes, I have to talk about some things. This is the turbo update. We have October the 12th, so let's start this one. So here we are. This is TradingView, and TradingView is telling us on the daily we should buy Bitcoin. On the 4 hours, buy. On the 2 hours, buy Bitcoin. And on the 1 hour, this is telling us a summary, we should buy Bitcoin. Okay, oscillators are telling us we should sell, but most things here are telling us we should buy Bitcoin. Very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This is the Bitcoin dominance, and the Bitcoin dominance is growing, guys. You can see it. We are on 46% now, and as long as the Bitcoin dominance is growing, it's better to trade Bitcoin as the altcoins. Look at this. It's really important if you are trading altcoins or Bitcoin. If we are in an uptrend for Bitcoin, yes, we will trade Bitcoin. If we're going down with Bitcoin, we will trade more altcoins. That's normal, guys. That's not for every altcoin, but for the most altcoins, you can use this. It's really nice, guys. So let's start. Today, a really fast video, 3 minutes only for TikTok and Instagram, and then the longer video for all of our YouTube viewers. And we will start this now with our analyze. So guys, let's go in. Here is our analyze, and we are starting today with this one. This is the Bollinger Band. We are on the daily time frame, and I would like to show you at this point here. We are really high at the Bollinger Band here. You can see it on a pump like this, on the last pump like this, guys. We saw this one. If we are hit the Bollinger Band on the upside, we saw a big down going Bitcoin here like this. Then the next point to the upside, and you can see it, a nice way to the upside, bam, down like this to the downside of the Bollinger Band. Here again, and you can see the Bollinger Band is not so wide here at the end. It's closer and closer, and now the point is, guys, we saw here a nice pump to the upside, down again, and yes, for the moment we are on the upside of the Bollinger Band. This is dangerous. We can go up more and more on the Bollinger Band, yes, but it's really possible to go down really quick, and you can see the bottom of the Bollinger Band is on 38,000, guys, so remember this, guys. Okay, the next thing you can see is here the RSI on the downside, guys. The RSI for the moment is dangerous. We are overbought. It's normal in the pump that we are overbought, but we are over 70 points, and this is really dangerous. Look at this line. This is our resistance line for the moment, and you can see on the daily this red resistance line is our resistance. We are fighting on this resistance, but for the moment we are spiking through a little bit, but not so. Guys, it is dangerous. It's really dangerous. We are on the upper side of the Bollinger Band. You can see it here. We are on the resistance of the RSI. It is dangerous. Attention, guys. Sorry for that. The 3 minutes are over. For TikTok and for Instagram, bye guys. And for YouTube, we will keep going here today, a little longer video. So let's move on. For YouTubers, we are now in the, let me check, 4-hour time frame. So this is important. On the 4-hour time frame, you can also see the Bollinger Band. We are also on the upside, and you can see this orange line for the Bollinger Band is holding for this pump as a support. It's also the last line of our ribbon band. So the ribbon band is so important for us, guys. We can remove the Bollinger Band and we can use the ribbon band, because this is, in my opinion, on the 4-hour time frame, the most important thing now. We need to stay over the ribbon band. This is important. Let's remove it, and you can see ribbon band here spikes down to the ribbon band, first line, second line, but never in the ribbon band or down of it. You can see it here. We broke the ribbon band, and really fast we saw a big candle to the downside under the ribbon band. Now, guys, this is the next thing. As long as we are over the ribbon band, everything is fine, everything is okay. You can see the EMA 200, the yellow line, and on the downside we have the RSI. On the 4-hour we are not overbought. But guys, look at this. We can make one thing. We can make a line. We can make a support line from the downside here to the upside. This was our support line. Now it is a resistance line, and you can see we are acting for the moment under this. This is dangerous. We are not anymore over the support. We are now under the support line. It's a resistance now, and this is a really dangerous situation in the 4-hour time frame also. And you can see, guys, we are going up here with the Bitcoin price, and we're going down here with the RSI. That's the bearish divergence. That's also a really bad situation. A lot of traders are watching at this, and for the most times, if we see bearish divergences, we see maybe a big pump to the downside. That's really often a big thing to watch, guys. So the next thing, let me show you. This is now our resistance line for the RSI on the 4-hour time frame. As long as we are under this resistance, the RSI will go down more and more, okay, for sure. And we will see if this bearish divergence will play out here. So let's go into 1-hour time frame. Let me show you the next big thing. The RSI on the downside is also going down. You can see the price for Bitcoin is going up, RSI is going down, bearish divergence. Okay, we have here this resistance line, and we can make a support line from the downside to the upside here like this. And this is our support line. It's a green one. And now you can see we are fighting in this triangle between the red and the green line. Everything is possible to the upside or to the downside from there, so we can forget it, the RSI. MACD, what's going on with the MACD? On the 1 hour time frame, the MACD is bearish. You can see it. The blue line, here you can see it, yes, is under the brown line, and we are buying more and more red candles. That's not good. For the moment, we are bearish here. Let me check the MACD on the 4 hour time frame, and on the 4 hour time frame, you can see a fight for the moment, sideways fight. You can see it, we're going sideways a little bit, but we are buying the next first red candle here. So this is also bearish. We saw a cross blue line under the brown line, next bearish thing. Only on the daily. On the daily, we have a nice bullish MACD. You can see it, a wide place between blue line and brown line here. This is really bullish. You can see the big green candles here on the downside. Everything is okay on the daily time frame here. So the next thing, guys. Oh, the time is 6 minutes. Sorry, guys, but today I told you 10 minutes. I need some more minutes. Fibonacci retracement. It's so important from the upside to the downside. Look at this. Now you can see why we are fighting at this place where we are fighting. We are fighting on the 0.786 Fibonacci. I told you on my live stream also, guys, I'm streaming live on my live stream 24 hours, 7 days a week. The name is Bitcoin Trading Informant. And guys, I told you, watch this Fibonacci. It's so dangerous. 57,100. This is a so dangerous place now. We see for the moment we are over the Fibonacci. We saw a big spike down again, but for the moment we are over the Fibonacci, but it's so dangerous. We need a confirmed closing candle, a daily closing candle over this Fibonacci and not under this Fibonacci. So that's really important, guys. For the moment, we are retesting it a little bit, but I'm not so ultra bullish. We need to fight this and we need closing candles, and then I'm bullish. For the moment, I am taking a little bit profit. I take a little bit out of my big long trade here. Better to take profit. So the next thing, guys, let me show you the parallel channel. Last but not least, from the downside to the upside, you can see this point is the deepest now. This point is the highest. This is a nice green uptrend channel. And as long as we are in this uptrend channel, everything is fine. Here, this point is important. This is the last line of the ribbon band. 55,000, 56,000 is a big support. If you're spiking down again, this is the next big support, guys. And if we will spike down more and more, attention, we need the ribbon band as a support. So we need to stay in this damn uptrend. That's the big thing. We need to stay with the ribbon band. We need to stay over the Fibonacci. We need. And then we may see more pump to the upside. For the moment, it's a really dangerous situation. That's why the name for today is dangerous. Okay. Jackson dangerous. I don't think, guys. Sorry. Do not fear. I'm not thinking. Okay. But guys, now 8 minutes are over. Let me show you one thing before we end this video. And this is important now. This big fight, I told you, is important, okay? But now, let me show you. The where it is. Let's zoom out a little bit more. Sorry, guys, let me show you. Let's remove this indicators so we have a better view on this. And now, I can show you. This, guys, this is last but not least. This is the Elliott wave theory. I told you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the upgoing wave. And I think this was the 5-wave Elliott wave theory to the upside. Then we saw a correction, a B, and a C. I hope this was the correction. We can draw it to another thing, but not today. I will show you this maybe tomorrow. If this was the correction, I hope this played out and it's already finished. Now, 1, 2, 3. Where is 0.4? Maybe here, and then 0.5. Or maybe here, 0.5. We will see. 87,000, guys. It would be a really nice 0.5 here. But it's also possible to see a 0.3 like this, 0.4 like this. So guys, this is the dangerous and the difficult thing now. Where is 0.3? It's possible to see 0.3 to the all-time high, then down again to 51,000. We will check now one, guys. We saw here to wave number 2, and retrace about 26%, guys. That's really big, 26%. Maybe we will see here also 26%. If this is 0.3, then we have to watch about this point, 42,500. It's really deep, I know, guys. but it's possible to see 0.3 is this now, 0.4 will be 42,000, and 0.5 will go up to the moon, maybe to 64,000 or maybe to 87,000. Guys, we will see. So guys, this is the daily update for Bitcoin. Now you know everything you need to know. It doesn't matter if you go long, if you go short. I wish you make millions, guys. Special thanks, really special thanks to my top supporter. I have not so much supporter, but here, guys, these are my supporter for this video yesterday. Zoltan, nice work, thanks, INY. That this is how you can analyze. Thank you so much, Zoltan. Malik, thank you, great content, thank you so much. Solid, Biti the best, thank you. And Chakar, nice. Guys, I need your support. I love your nice words. This is what's going, what's giving me energy to keep on moving here, to make every day an update, to keep my live stream online 24 hours, 7 days a week. Guys, I need your support. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye, guys.
System activated.